How to earn points in Novelah app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can earn points in the Novelah application. So in the Novelah application, you can earn points by engaging in various activities. And here are some ways to accumulate points. The first step is to log in daily into your app to receive bonus points. Yes, consistent check-ins add up over time. So just click on the app. Now I have logged in today already. That is why it's not showing me that I have received some points. But by the time you log in daily, you get points for that. The another thing you can do is by daily reading. Yes, read novels daily within the app. The more you read, the more points you earn. On the Novelah app, we have different genres of books such as romance, action, horror, fantasy, etc. So you can try exploring all of the genres here, reading as many as you can, just so as to earn as many points as you can. Okay, and then you can also invite friends. Yeah, this is a very effective way of earning on of any points on Novelah by inviting friends. Invite your friends to join Novelah using your referral code. When they sign up, you will receive additional points. And how do you do that? Move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see the invite option. Click on it and then copy your code or click here to invite, share your link, and then whenever they sign up using your code or your link, you get bonus for that. Then another thing you can do is by completing bonus stacks. And how do you complete bonus stacks? Move to the top left corner where you can see a reward bag. Click on it and then you'll see daily tasks. Ensure you complete this. Once you complete this, you will get more points. Then lastly, you can also watch ads. Yes, occasionally you have the opportunity to watch ads. Each ad view grants you points. Okay, and then there are some novels or chapters that will be available as premium content. Spending points to unlock this exclusive parts enhances your reading experience and also gives you a chance to also earn more points as a reader on the Novelah app. So this is how you can earn points. Thank you for watching and have a good day.